Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my lockpicking homeschool series where I help train you to pick your first lock starting from a beginner up to an intermediate level. The topic today is coming from a question that a commenter asked, which was, how does someone get started in the lock exchange? What I'm going to do is try to give you some clarification on this question, that there's not a lot of answers out on YouTube. More information is coming up on this in just a second. Please stay tuned. So how do you get started in the lock exchange? That was a comment that was left recently, and I feel like this is a very important topic to bring up, and it's not something that I have seen directly answered on YouTube too often. One thing you need to know about our community is how welcoming it is, how much we love to see newcomers, and how much we want to be able to help you get started. It is something that I have not seen in any other community, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that has been able to help keep this community the way that it has always been. So if you want to get started in the lock exchange, the first thing I'm going to do is sort of give a brief description of it. The lock exchange has reminded me of the Haxaro exchange system of non-equivalent gift giving, which you can find in the Juhansi tribe in Africa. It is just an exchange system where it is not one for one. You just try to be very generous and nice and help send people some locks, and you'll get some locks back in return down the road. We are not keeping accounts of this, and it's just something that is on the honor system. So if you would like to get started in a lock exchange, the very first thing you need to do is, one, get yourself established somewhere. You can either make an account on Reddit r/lockpicking and get started in the forums there. You can get started on any of the various Discord channels, or you can establish yourself right here on YouTube. So what you need to do is just first get your name out there so people will be able to recognize you and just see that you are dedicated to the sport. Once you're able to have a name behind you, one thing you need to do is just be active in the community and then just cold ask someone, hey, I'm very interested in trying out a challenge lock. Would you be interested in sending it to me? A lot of people are very, very interested in sending out their locks to new people so you can try them out and they can start getting more people integrated into the exchange system. This is a very informal process, but once you're able to prove that you're reliable, you've been able to do a few exchanges, many, many more opportunities will come your way. I just want to say I feel very fortunate to be in the position where I am. I've been able to get some really cool things throughout the time I've been running my channel. I got this really cool pic that you can see from Jason Carlson, and I use this in every single video. I really love the look of it, and I think it is a really great pic. I've been able to get some really cool pics from Daz Evers. He custom made this snakewood one for me, and also this Cocobolo pic. People are more than willing to make very custom items for you and just do really nice things, and it is so cool to see how well the community is willing to take care of one another. One thing I need to offer you as advice is, if you do get involved, is do not start to hoard locks and just always keep the process going. I myself has been someone that has been having a problem with this lately, and I do want to try to fix it. So when you get sent a challenge lock, you do not want to just put it in a box like you see here and just not get around to it. If you're not able to get to the challenge lock, what you need to do is just let someone know that you have some and see if you're willing to send them out to them, and then they might be willing to send it back afterwards. So I'm going to try to get some more movement on some of the locks that I have here because I have just not had enough time to work on them. So once you have set up an exchange, how it typically works is the person that is sending you the lock will pay the shipping to you, and then you will pay the shipping to the next person. So do not expect to have to ask for any shipping money. You're just going to always have the lock sent to you, and then you'll send it out to the next guy. It is such a really cool circle of locks, and it just keeps the whole process going. And I just want to say the lock exchange is a really cool thing, and the more you get involved with it, the more rewarding it will be. And it'll be really cool for you to see how awesome our community is. But either way, guys, I really hope this was able to help clear up the lock exchange system for anyone out there. It is an information tidbit that you do not see too formally on YouTube, and I just was really hoping that this is going to be helpful for someone out there. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments section below. If you have anything that you would like to share at all to the lock exchange information I left here, please drop that in the comments section below, and I'd really love to help highlight that for everyone to see. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.